Now you are equipped with the basic character knowledge. We can start learning our first 3 characters. Task 1. Pick out your pen, draw a short horizontal line, like so. Ta-da! You have just written your first Chinese character. Okay, class dismissed. Okay, don't go yet. But seriously, this is a legit Chinese character. This is actually one of my favorite characters because it actually tells you what it means. How many strokes do we use to write this character? 1. If we look at this character, how many lines do you see? 1. So what do you think this character means? Yep, it means 1. Let's write this character on the character worksheet. The character is pronounced E. See how the sound has nothing to do with the character? Yep. Tip: this character is written with the stroke héng, which means horizontal. It's a left to right horizontal movement. It might be helpful to say the stroke name as you write. Héng, héng, héng. Keep in mind that héng is the name of the stroke, not the character. If it's just our character happens to be a stroke too. Remember that a stroke is a continuous movement, so do not trace a stroke back and forth like so. That's a no-no. Tip: again, follow the stroke order. With our first character, we see that the héng stroke goes from left to right. Let's take a look at our second character. Our second character is also composed of the héng stroke only, but this time we have 2 strokes. Notice that the first line is shorter than the second line. You don't have to be precise. It's not like it has to be 12.34% shorter or something like that. As long as it's shorter than the bottom line, then it's good. This is where our character worksheet comes handy. It helps us to know where to put the stroke. This character is pronounced R. It has 2 strokes, and it looks like 2 lines. What do you think it means? Yep, it means 2. On to our third character. Our third character is 3. And yep, it means 3. Notice that the middle line is shorter than the other 2 lines. How to memorize the characters. I hope the little explanations I provide along with the characters will help you memorize them. In addition, you can also memorize them by practicing writing them and use Quizlet to help you remember them. Let's review all characters in this lesson. In this lesson, we learned E, 1, R, 2, 3. And it's really neat that you can tell what they mean by looking at the character, and with the hint that they all mean numbers. Before you get your hopes up, 4, 5, and up do not follow the same pattern. Sorry. Let's do a pop quiz. With recognition as our main objective here, I will include the pronunciation for the characters as we do our pop quizzes. What does this character mean? What about this one? And this one? In a few seconds, I will review the answer and check your answer with mine and see how you did. Assignment. Your assignment is to write each character 3 times. Of course, the more the merrier. Have fun writing characters. Bye! In our next class, we will learn the next stroke, which is 树, and we will learn some really fun characters.